Shocking twist in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Bollywood has lost one of its most talented actors, Sushant Singh Rajput, on 14th of June 2020. While local police reported that the actor himself took his own life, CBI is yet to provide a conclusive report. The government body is still looking into the case, though 6 months have already passed after Sushant has left us all. Recently, Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has taken a huge step for the case of Sushant Singh Rajput. According to the recent reports, Anil Deshmukh has asked the investigating agency to provide the details of Sushant's case publicly. Anil Deshmukh has taken such a daring decision because of the people who are eagerly waiting for the report of investigation of the case. He has also revealed that people often ask him about the case and how far the case has proceeded. The Home Minister has requested the investigating agency to reveal that whether it was a case of suicide or homicide. And shockingly, the lawyer of Bollywood actress Rhea Chakraborty, Satish Mani Shinde, has recently released a statement regarding this. The lawyer has welcomed the statement of the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh for making the reports public. Satish Mani Shinde has also talked about the FIR that was filed against his client Rhea Chakraborty. The lawyer has revealed that the FIR was false and all the allegations fake. He even stated that the NCB arrested the actress under a bogus case without any evidence against Rhea Chakraborty. He even stated that the actress was harassed by the government bodies during the interrogation. The lawyer Satish Mani Shinde has stated that it has been 6 months and whoever investigates the case, the truth will remain same. He also says, like Anil Deshmukh, that it is high time that CBI provides their report of the case as they have been investigating for 4 months. What are your thoughts about this case of Sushant Singh Rajput? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.